In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Instagram posts to LinkedIn. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your web browser and type linkedin.com into the address bar to visit LinkedIn. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't already have one, now is the perfect time to set it up. You can sign in using either your Google or Microsoft account or simply by entering your email address and password. It's crucial to keep this login information secure to protect your account from any unauthorized access. For those who have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity by sending a code to your phone. This extra step is a great security measure, especially when signing in from a new device or location. Just enter the code as directed, and you should be all set to access your LinkedIn feed. Now, our main task today is to share an Instagram post on your LinkedIn profile. To do this manually, start by finding the Instagram post that you wish to share. Once you've found it, save the image from the post to your computer or device. If you're on a computer, you can usually do this by right-clicking on the image and selecting a Save Image As. Alternatively, if you're using a mobile device, just press and hold the image until a menu appears, giving you the option to save it. Next up is handling the caption. Go back to the Instagram post and copy the caption text. This can generally be done by highlighting the desired text, right-clicking, and choosing Copy. If you're on a mobile device, you can use the copy function available there by highlighting the text. Now that we have the image and caption, let's jump back over to your LinkedIn homepage. Here's what you're going to do next: start a new post by clicking on the Start a Post option. This should open up a new window or dialog box where you can create your content. First, you're going to upload the image you saved earlier. Click on the photo icon, then navigate through your device to find and select the image file, which will attach it to your LinkedIn post. Moving on to the next part, in the text field provided, paste the caption you copied earlier from Instagram. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste or using the keyboard shortcut for pasting, which is usually Ctrl-V on a PC or Command-V on a Mac. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, checking that the image is displayed correctly and that the caption reads well, it's time to share your creation with your LinkedIn network. Click on Post to publish your content. And there you have it. You've successfully published an Instagram post on LinkedIn, sharing your content with a wider audience and broadening your engagement.